front brake pads, replacing '05 Honda Arrow. First we'll take this little cap. It's just a regular screwdriver. It covers the 5mm Allen bolt. I like to spray a little penetrating. You probably don't need it. I just hate stripping stuff or being forced, especially a bike in this condition. Grab a thin blade screwdriver and work it under the pads. Pull the pin out. It was shot. He did not take care of this bike. But with a screwdriver, get under the piston and compress it. Do it gentle, you'll feel it moves in. Then you take your brake pad. You will see make sure the pad, you'll see the slot in the top of the caliper. That pad will drop right into there. Then you will put your pin halfway, just to hold that first pad in. Now we'll do the second one. Clean the pin, a little steel wool. Just want to take anything off it that can interfere with the install or the operation of the pad sliding. I like to put a little oil on there, a little Permatex anti-seize. It's just good stuff. Just a dot. Get it as clean as possible. You don't want no problems with the brakes hanging up. All right, little dab. Permatex makes it. Anti-seize. Slide that in there. Your brake pad is spring loaded, so you gotta take it. There you go. Jiggle it a little bit. Beautiful thing. Only enough just to catch that first pad to keep it in place. All right. You see these pads are in bad shape. When you see you have pads like that, you know you're gonna have a little problems with the install. Usually to collapse these two little pistons that drive your brakes, sometimes because of the heat, it's a little bit of a problem. I'm just pointing that out because I don't want you to think it's as easy as I'm showing you. It is easy. This is extreme. They didn't care about this bike. So we put the first pads in. We got the pin lined up. Now, I had to compress this piston with the screwdriver and a bar. I got it all the way. Okay, now to install the inside pad. We need to take, this is a sound deadener. Take it off these pads. As you can see, these are in bad shape. All right, apply it onto the back of this one, just the way you took it off. Now you have this to the last thread. We gotta slide this up in there. And like I said, if this ain't fully collapsed, this really is not that easy. If it's fully collapsed, it'll slide right in. Take this, push back a little bit, and start turning it. You'll know when you have it, that's for sure. All right, just hand tighten, spin wheel. Everything looks beautiful. You can visually see it for yourself. Now, we'll just turn the wheel, hit the brakes a few times. There we go. Turn, hit. Beautiful thing. All right, torque this to 159 inch-pounds. Reinstall plug. Any questions, just ask. Ride safe, have a great day.